kalimutan
mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and today we are going to solve the Fisher cube. This is a 3x3x3 shape mode. The core mechanism is the same as the regular 3x3x3 Rubik's cube. The cube has 6 sides. Each side has a centerpiece, 4 edge pieces, and 4 corner pieces. The same goes with this Fisher cube. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. Okay, so that's 2 sides. Now this is another centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces, represents another sides. That's 3. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces, another side, so that's 4. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces, another side, that's 5. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces, so that's 6. So it has also 6 sides. Okay, okay, now let's jumble it. Now we can solve it. Okay, let's start with the white centerpiece. Okay, so we have one edge piece that is already in place, so we need another one, white and green. Okay, so white and one side is green. Okay, so white and this one. Okay, so we need to rotate this. Okay, bring it up. Okay, it should be placed here, so bring it down again, all the way down, then turn this counterclockwise, bring it all the way up. Okay, now we have 2 white edge pieces and with the green. Okay, now we need another one, so white with the red. Okay, this one. Okay, so bring it down. Okay, rotate this counterclockwise, rotate this again, bring this up, then rotate this back, so we won't mess this up. So this is fixed. Okay, white, red. Okay, so we need another one, white and blue. Okay, this one. Okay, so bring it down, rotate this counterclockwise, rotate it again counterclockwise, bring this up, then rotate this back. Okay, so white, blue. Okay, now we need to match the edge pieces with the center pieces of the second layer. So edge pieces of the first layer with the center pieces of the second layer. Okay, so this is blue and red. Okay, this is blue and red. This is red and green, orange and green, blue and orange. Okay, now we need to make it flush. Okay, we will do this first. Bring the middle layer up, rotate this, bring this down up to here, then rotate this clockwise, bring this back up. Now it is flush and the colors are matched, so bring this back up, bring this back up also. Now we'll do this one, bring the middle layer up, rotate this, bring it down up to here, rotate this counterclockwise, bring this back up. The colors are matched and it is also flush. Bring the edge pieces back up. We'll do this one, so bring the middle layer up, rotate this, bring it down up to here, then rotate this clockwise 2 times, then bring this back up. Okay, the colors are matched, the edge it is also flush, then bring the edge pieces back up. Okay, we'll do this one, bring the middle layer up, rotate this, bring this down, rotate this clockwise, bring this back up, so the colors are matched and it is flush, so bring the edge pieces back up. Okay, these two. Okay, now the edge pieces of the first layer are now matched with the center pieces of the second layer. Now we will do the 4 corners. Okay, so we have a white cross. Okay, so we will do the blue side first. Okay, since we have the corner piece here, so just bring it down, set this aside, bring this back up, bring this back up also. Okay, it's done. Now we have red and white, so okay, but we need to rotate this first. Okay, bring this back, down, so we won't mess this up. Then bring this back. Now we can just bring it down, set this aside, bring this back up. This one also, it's fixed. Now we can this is the corner piece itself. We need to bring it up, rotate this, then bring this down, then bring this back here. Then we can bring it down, set this aside, bring this back up. This one also, it's fixed. Okay, now this one we need to rotate it first, set it aside, bring this down, then bring it here. So now we can bring it down, set this aside, bring this back up, and this one also. Okay, now the first layer is done. Okay, so we will fix the edge pieces of the second layer. So this is fixed. We have 3 more to go. So this one, green, we can put it here and place it here or here, then place it here. Okay, so either side. Okay, either side we can use to put the edge piece, okay, in its place. Okay, so we'll use this place, then we will put the edge piece here. Okay, so u r u prime r prime u prime f prime u, then f. It's done. Now okay, we have a blue here. Okay, so we will place this blue edge piece here. So u prime r prime u prime f prime u, and then f. Okay, now we have one more. So we will place this orange edge piece here on the left side. Okay, we can place it here, we can also place it here to put it here. Okay, so okay, we'll just place it here. Okay, now we will put the orange edge piece here on the left side. So do this algorithm: u prime l prime u l u f u prime, then f prime. Okay, it's done. So our second layer is also fixed. Now we will do the third layer. Okay, as you can see, all the edge pieces are in an upright position, so we need to flatten them up. Okay, so hold it like this. This is the top view, this is the front view. Do this algorithm: f u r u prime r prime, then f prime. Okay, we still have 2 that need to be flattened. Okay, okay, do this: f r u r prime u prime f prime. Okay, they are all flat. Okay, now we need to swap the edge pieces. Okay, we have one that is correct in its proper position. Okay, we'll rotate this. Now we have 2. We have 2 edge pieces that are in their proper places. Now we need to swap these 2 edge pieces. Okay, this should be placed here, the other one should be placed here. Okay, so hold it like this. The 2 edge pieces that need to be swapped must be placed on the lower left. So hold it like this and do this algorithm: r u r prime u r u to r prime. Okay, rotate. Okay, okay, so the edge pieces are fixed. Now we will do the 4 corner pieces. Okay, so let's check. Okay, we have one that is in its proper place. Now we need to rotate these 3 corner pieces. This one must be placed here, this one must be placed here, and this one must be placed here. So to do that, okay, this one must be placed here, this one must be placed here, and this one must be placed here. So we need to rotate it. The fixed one will be placed on the left side. Okay, so hold it like this and do this algorithm: u prime l prime u r u prime l u r prime. Okay, it's done. Okay, now we need to orient it properly. So hold it like this and do this algorithm as long as it is needed: r prime d prime r d r prime d prime r d. Rotate it, bring this blue here, this is our working area. Then do the same algorithm as long as it is needed: r prime d prime r d R prime, D prime, R, D. Then bring the other one here, so do the same, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, just rotate this and it's done. Okay, yellow, okay, white, okay, green, orange, blue, and red. Okay. Now, if we have one edge piece that needs to be flattened, okay, we need to make a swap, okay, then bring the edge piece being swapped back, okay, at the same time flatten the other edge piece of the edge piece of the top layer, okay. So to do that, hold it like this and do this algorithm: u r u prime r prime u prime f prime u and then f. Okay, now we will bring the edge piece back, the orange edge piece here. Okay, so we will place this orange edge piece back to its right place, its correct place. Okay, and at the same time we will bring this edge piece back up, but this time it is flattened. Okay, so do this algorithm: u r u prime r prime u prime f prime u and then f. Okay, so the edge piece, the orange edge piece, is again in its correct place, and the edge pieces are now flat. Okay, so just continue to fix the four corners. So huwag kalimutang
Mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.